This is my Because of Them We Can box with people that fought for our freedom, famous black people in history. And this is my awesome black people shirt with Rosa Parks, Dr. Martin Luther King, and a bunch of others that I'm about to learn about. This month's box is about the Montgomery bus boycott.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a letter from Dr. Martin Luther King's daughter. And this is a Montgomery bus boycott book.
This book, it talks about all the things that different people, Rosa Parks and Claudette Colvin did that started the Montgomery bus boycott. What else is in the box, Miles?
What else is in the box is a watch. Because of Them We Can watch. Another medal. Because of Them We Can medal.
That's part of the welcome kit.
Yeah, it's part of the welcome kit. Tells you what everything you get in it. Do you think these are stickers? Yeah, a bunch of stickers. Montgomery bus boycott stickers. A calendar.
Can I see the front of it?
Okay. And a Because of Them We Can shoelace. And
what do you rate this box?
I rate this box a 50 out of 50. It's a really awesome box for you to learn about more history, about our ancestors, and about all the things that other people before us did.